at the ceiling, thinking about the way you got me feeling. Every word you say, it lingers slow, but I need to hear the one I want the most. Your touch says things you never say, but silence can't keep me warm each day. If it's real, don't let it fade. Come a little closer, don't be afraid. Tell me you love me, don't make me guess. Whisper those words with your heart on your chest. Tell me I'm yours, say you're mine too. Give me the truth, not just what you do. Tell me you love me like I always do for you. We dance in shadows, we laugh and we run, but I can't be the only chasing the sun. Hold me tighter, but mean it this time. Don't let love be lost between the lines. You're